Framework Laptop 16 is an innovative laptop with a distinctive design, featuring 4 layers of interchangeable components, including a swappable discrete GPU, right at your disposal. In a bold manner, this new laptop 16 introduces the ability to replace and eventually upgrade the entire GPU, a feature that stands out. The Framework Laptop 16, now open for pre-orders starting July 18, 2023, with prices commencing at $1,699 for pre-built options, stands as one of the most captivating laptops we have ever encountered. Upon its release in Q4, this gaming laptop marks the Modular computer company's inaugural venture into gaming laptops, enabling the interchange of nearly every component. This extends beyond conventional elements like memory and storage, encompassing each individual port, the motherboard, battery, speakers, and beyond. Remarkably, even the keyboard deck of the Framework Laptop 16 is composed of modular parts that resemble Lego bricks, allowing seamless snapping and sliding into place. Whether you desire alignment of the keyboard and touchpad to the right, left, or center, wish for a burst of color, require a numpad, or prefer an array of captivating LEDs, the laptop's modular slats accommodate these preferences. Each module incorporates a small Raspberry Pi RP2040 chip, discreetly visible through a rear window, enhancing the overall coolness factor.